Ready to unlock a world of seamless spending? Let's dive into how surprisingly easy it is to add money to your Revolut Digital Card, a must-know skill for anyone wanting financial control on the go. First things first, open your Revolut app. Once open, identify and tap the Add Money or a similar button. You'll usually find it on the main screen, possibly near your card balance or profile icon. Now, you'll be presented with a few choices of how to top up. Many prefer using a debit card for speed, which can be their bank-issued card, or you may opt for a bank transfer, which takes a little longer, usually 13 business days. Alternatively, some users prefer to use Apple Pay or Google Pay, which are also fast and easy. If you're using a debit card, select that option, and the app will prompt you to enter your card details. Type in your card number, expiration date, and CVV security code. Double-check the information. This is key to making sure the top-up goes through correctly. Next step, enter the amount of money you want to add. The app will likely show your local currency. Just type in the amount and proceed. Before the money hits your Revolut card, verify the transaction. Depending on your bank and security settings, you might experience a quick 3D or biometric security check. This is a confirmation step to ensure it's really you making the top-up. Voila! If everything goes to plan, you'll see a confirmation message in the app showing the successful addition of funds. Your card balance should update immediately, ready for your next online shopping spree or daily spend. And that's it. You've successfully topped up your Revolut Digital Card. Enjoy.